Hello everyone, this is Steve. Let's face it, Thanksgiving is great, family, food, the whole thing. However, the journey? It can be somewhat difficult, particularly to locate flights at reasonable prices. So let's get started with the finest advice and methods for finding the cheapest tickets for Thanksgiving. Fasten your seatbelts, we're going to take this holiday travel thing by storm. Alright, let's get started. Make your reservations as soon as possible. I'm speaking at this very moment. Thanksgiving is a popular travel period for airlines, so as the holiday approaches, costs usually increase. Consider it this way. The early bird gets the worm, and the early booker receives the discounted ticket. Folks, don't put off doing this one. Make the most of any flexibility you have in your travel dates. You will have to pay to fly on the actual holiday or the day prior. As an alternative, think about taking a flight a few days prior to Thanksgiving and extending your stay. This will not only probably save you money, but it will also allow you to avoid the insane airport traffic. Now let's discuss the busiest travel days. These are the days when everybody wants to go by air. Thus, airlines are free to raise the ticket prices. Travel is usually busiest and most expensive on the Wednesday before Thanksgiving and the Sunday after. Thus, try to steer clear of these days like the plague. Technology is your friend, people. Use it to your advantage by setting up fare alerts on travel search engines like Google Flights or Kayak. These alerts will notify you when the price of your desired flight changes, so you can snag a deal when it pops up. It's like having your own personal travel agent working around the clock. Discover the hidden gem of the travel industry. Working with a travel advisor. In the vast landscape of travel planning, a seasoned advisor can be your ultimate key to unlocking a vacation experience free from stress and overwhelm. Picture this: instead of spending countless hours sifting through countless websites and reviews, you can entrust your travel aspirations to the capable hands of a travel advisor. Armed with a treasure trove of industry insights, they navigate the labyrinth of travel choices with finesse, ensuring every aspect of your journey is tailored to perfection. So, if you're seeking a stress-free vacation experience that transcends the ordinary, look no further than a travel advisor. Embrace the wisdom of this industry secret and embark on a journey filled with unparalleled expertise, unmatched value, and unforgettable memories. Don't limit yourself to major airports. Sometimes flying into a smaller regional airport can save you a significant amount of money. Sure, it might require a bit more effort to get to your final destination, but the savings can be worth it. Plus, you might discover a hidden gem of an airport along the way. If you're a frequent flyer, now is the time to cash in those hard-earned miles or rewards points. Many airlines offer deals and discounts for members of their loyalty programs, so check to see what's available. Those miles you've been racking up could be your ticket to a cheaper Thanksgiving flight. Finding the best deals on flights takes a bit of patience and strategy. Don't just book the first flight you see. Take some time to compare prices, explore different options, and be willing to wait for the right deal to come along. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, or in this case, the cheap flight. There you have it, folks. Your guide to finding the cheapest Thanksgiving flights. Remember, a little planning and effort can go a long way in saving you money and stress this holiday season. Don't wait too long, start planning your trip today. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.